Hello everyone. Welcome back again to our beloved channel. How are you? I hope you all just fine and stay positive. As I promise you on the last videos, I will make videos about getting reward by running ergo node and provide offchainbot for spectrumdex AMM. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. Before you start to following this tutorial, I hope you have understanding little bit of coding like using Docker and executing some CMD line. And I will assume that all of you have basic knowledge of all those things. First of all, you need to have running the latest ergo node and had already synced to the latest block heights. For running the node is very simple. You just visit ergoplatform.org. The link will be provided in the descriptions. To run an ergo node, you need JRE version 8 to be installed. One way to install it is to use Oracle implementation of Java. The next step is to download the latest ergo client release jar file and create a node configuration file. The link in the descriptions. If you have understanding with SBT, you also can clone the repository and create the jar yourself using SBT by issuing the SBT assembly command. For running node for the first time, you need to create a configuration file and named it whatever you want, but must have extension.com. And you must put it in one folder with the ergo client release jar that you had been downloaded before. In this tutorial I am using Windows and use Notepad for make configuration file. You just need to copy this line to your text editor. In my case I use Notepad and paste it, then save and name it ergonode.com. As I said before, you can name it whatever you want, but must have .conf on the last part. After you had already made configuration file, you can open CMD line or command line. How to open it is just click on your file path in the File Explorer and type CMD. After that, the CMD windows will automatically open. And now you have to type this line. And remember, you can change the name of configuration file if you have different name. If you succeed, your CMD windows will start running the node and try to sync with the block heights just like this. Congratulations! Now your node is up and running. To check if your node really doing its job, you can back to your browser and type this link address to see your node is active to synchronization. And the next step is waiting until your node reach the current block heights. There is a set of off-chain services facilitating spectrumdex to functioning. There are AMMDex services and orderbookdex services. In the AMMDex services, there are also some services in it. There are UTXO Tracker. This service will extract AMM orders and pull state updates from the UTXO feed. The second is AMM Executor. This is used for executes AMM orders into a transaction chain. And Pool Resolver for tracks pool updates. And for the second services is orderbookdex services. It also using UTXO Tracker for extracts orders from the UTXO feed. Matcher for order book matching engine. Orders Executor for executes orders. Markets API to aggregates market data and provides a convenient API to access it. And now open the spectrumdex backend on GitHub. The link in the descriptions. Then open your CMD windows. Copy-paste this line into your CMD windows. Wait until it get cloned. Open the folder that you have been used to saving and change the config example.env into config.env. After you change it, you open the file using any text editor you want and change these values. First, your local host. Usually I use 127.0.0.1 and copy-paste your ergo wallet address here. It used for send the reward fee. And don't forget to save it. On the same folder you will find build.ps1. Right-click on it and open with PowerShell. Wait until the process is done, but make sure your Docker engine up and running, cause it won't work if the Docker is not running yet. After the Docker finished building the image, now is the time to run it. Right-click on run.ps1 and open it with PowerShell and wait again until the pull process completed, and it will automatically run the images. To check your offchainbot running properly, you can copy-paste this line into your PowerShell. If you follow this tutorial nicely, and not skip it, this will be shown on your Docker desktop, and it means all of your images running properly. And now we are in the end of the videos. On the next video I will show you how to run this offchainbot and running ergo node on mobile phone cause it has more efficiency. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks and see you in the next video.